QNT at the time of this recording continues to see a breakdown move after getting rejected at our key area of resistance that lies above the $69.1, and at the time of this recording we have now lost the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, flipping it back into resistance. And on today's video I will be discussing the reasons as to why we need to continue holding above our key area of support that lies between the $62.5 and the $57.8 in the next coming days, and above all give you my long-term price prediction analysis, giving you reasons why we can easily see new bear market lows here on the QNT chart. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video, and starting the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows that we made on the 3rd of November. We started a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that peaked above the $70.6, and after getting that high we started a bit of a pullback to the lower side, and using the Fibonacci, connecting the fibs from the low that we made on the 3rd of November to the high above the $70.7, we can get a minimum retracement area for these that is for this corrective structure that is playing out at the moment between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78 as a maximum, and that target area lies between the $62.5 and the $57.8, which is the area that I have marked here on the charts. And you can see that we have seen a few movements into this target area, and we are right now reacting to this area in what could possibly give us another bounce to the upside. And if by any chance we continue holding within this area and also see a reaction of the area, then there are high chances that QNT will be obeying the Elliot wave structures, where we can term these as an impulsive Elliot wave count 1, then a corrective structure in an Elliot wave count 2, and we can get another bounce to the upside in a wave 3, then expect a wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in an Elliot wave count 5. But for now, I still believe that there's a chance that we can see another pullback into this area and get some candlesticks closing within the area before we can finally get the bounce to the upside in an Elliot wave count 3. We also need to have in mind that we can also get that direct bounce back, since you can all see that we are seeing some reaction to this target area over here. We also need to have in mind that in case we see a pullback into the area and maybe at some point this area over here does not continue to hold the support, then I will be watching for further breakdown moves into the next key area of support above the $56, where we can find support and another bounce back. And on losing $56, then I will be expecting a reset of the lows that we made on the 3rd of November, and losing those significant lows, then I will be watching for a reset of the lows that we made on the 5th of August below the $50. Looking at the daily chart, I have a feeling that the QNT chart is now turning out to be more bearish, and there are high chances that in the next coming days we are going to see a reset of the bear market lows below the $40. And my previous analysis stated that after getting the bear market lows, we saw a bounce to the upside in a 5-wave structure in a move that peaked above the $229, completing the formation of these Elliot wave count 1. Then we saw a corrective structure in an Elliot wave count 2 into the minimum pullback target areas for the second wave highlighted on the charts using this retarget area, an area that I came up with by connecting the fibs from the low, that is the bear market low, to the high above the $229, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.382, the fib level 0.5, and the fib level 0.78, and that is between the $134 and the $80.3, an area that we have now fully maximized. And at the moment you can all see that we are slightly holding above the last line of support on the Fibonacci, which is the fib level 0.88, and that lies above the $62.7. And there are high chances that in case our yellow target area over here does not hold and we also lose $56 in the next coming hours, then that will be suggesting that we are going to see a total breakdown move, losing the fib level 0.88 in a move that can easily give us a reset of the bear market lows at the $40.1, and that move can also give us new bear market lows before we can start another bounce back to the upside, maybe taking us to new all-time highs in this bull market. So that is all I'm expecting to play out on the QNT chart on the short term and also on the long term, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.